So this is how we're going to start off our Jouvert morning.
All right, first drink of the morning,
Right.
guys. Cheers. Grab a glass, guys, because this is what you're drinking. And today's all about La Paloma featuring Don Julio Blanco. So let's get mixing.
So Kez, today it's La Paloma time.
Carnival time.
Carnival time. And we're going to start off with our traditional carnival breakfast cocktail.
Okay.
And this makes a perfect cocktail. We're going to work with a Blanco tequila, in this case
Right.
Don Julio. We're not going to work with añejo or reposado because, you know, the flavors of the oak would obviously mask the flavors of what we're working with.
Right.
In this case, it's going to be freshly squeezed pink grapefruit juice,
Yay.
some lime juice, some agave syrup, and we're going to top with some grapefruit soda.
All right, so this is my Jouvert morning, chipping down the road, easy peasy cocktail.
This is your chipping down the road, easy peasy cocktail, all right?
Let's start.
But the little challenge we have is obviously
Okay.
we're going to rim the glass with salt because, as you know, salt brings out flavor.
I always
And we are
wanted to
working with
learn.
citrus.
Yeah.
And tequila and salt, you know, pairs well.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to start off.
Okay.
So you're going to take a wedge of lime.
Oh, I can just grab?
Yes, you grab.
Okay.
All right.
All
And you
right.
invert your glass.
All right.
And you just rub the rim of the glass.
Okay.
All the
So
way
just-
around. Just squeeze. And you just, yeah. All
that
the way
good?
around. Yes, you do perfect job, Kez. Perfect.
Thank
All
you.
right. And then you put in your salt.
Okay.
Now
Just
this,
now?
that's right. Just give it a little twirl. And that should be sufficient. Now this drink requires salt, but we want salt on the rim of the glass, not
Right.
in the glass.
And we have some in here.
So it means, therefore, if you could take your bar spoon
Sure.
and right on this little plate right there, if you could just scrape out the excess
Okay,
salt.
let me get a better grip of the spoon
All
to make
right.
sure I get it right. And I'm just
Removing the salt on the
okay,
inside of the
so
glass.
just pulling it down.
That's right.
Ah.
We just want the right amount of salt to start off the morning period.
Aha.
So let's start off, all right? So you have dressed your glass perfectly.
have.
All right. So you're going to grab your shaker.
Yes.
And we're going to start off with 1.5 ounces of Don Julio Blanco tequila.
Thank you very
All right.
much. And we grab a jigger.
Grab your jigger.
This
1.5.
is a hefty bottle.
It is a hefty
All
bottle.
right. Can you give me a hand?
Sure.
Thanks.
All right.
There we go. I just want to make sure.
So 1.5.
There?
Okay, that's perfect. We're going to work with 1.25 ounces of freshly squeezed pink grapefruit juice.
My favorite color.
All right. So we have it there all measured for you. Just put it in.
All the way in.
That's going to give us our citrusy zing.
Okay.
Now, this drink also requires a little more citrus, a little more acidic, you know, in terms of
Yeah.
balancing that tequila.
Yeah.
So we're going to put just 1/4 ounce of fresh lime juice.
All right. That's this guy over here.
That's the guy right there.
Roll it in.
And our sweetener, our sweet component, in this case, is agave syrup.
Oh. So
All right.
if I don't have the agave at home.
Well, if you don't have agave at home, simple syrup would
Okay.
work, but traditionally, agave
Agave.
works well. All right.
Sure.
So we have at least a large part of our cocktail. Now,
Yes.
a little thing requires traditionally we put a little pinch of salt inside there.
A little
a little thingy. All right, a little thingy.
This much?
That much. All right. So it's time. I'm going to ice you up,
Yes, please.
and you will do the honors.
Shaking, you know that is my job in here.
And whilst you're shaking, I am going to ice up that glass. And trust me, this drink smells beautifully. So I'm going to ice you up and you do your thing.
And we're counting to slow time.
Slow 10 to this.
This is going to be so good, guys.
Because it's time to double strain. So all we have to do, we're working with the cobbler shaker, so we're just going to remove the cap.
Yes.
And you're just going to double strain into there,
All right, and right over the middle.
right in the middle. Perfect job. Perfecto. Right.
Alrighty.
And now we're going to top with some grapefruit soda,
Okay. Sure. If you please.
if you please.
Thank you. And we're just going all the way to the rim.
Not all the way, just leave
Close.
out, yes, close.
How we go there?
And you could stop right there. And
All
then you
right.
take your bar spoon and you do a gentle swirl.
Okay, sure.
All right.
Gentle swirl.
And that's it.
That's it?
That's it.
Quick and easy.
Final thing we have to do now is just dress our glass. So we're going to
Okay.
start off obviously with our pink grapefruit slices.
Uh-huh. Can't have pink grapefruit juice and not have pink grapefruit slices.
That's right.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
A little standing. Okay.
Come on.
And you're just going to dress it with a few lime wedges.
Okay.
And there you have it, your La Paloma.
So nice. I love the color.
And obviously with your carnival breakfast, it goes well with both savory and sweet items.
Yeah.
If you find obviously it's either a bit too sweet,
Yeah.
you can either use a little more of the pink grapefruit juice.
Okay.
So this is how we're going to start off our Jouvert morning.
All right. First drink of the morning,
Right.
guys. Cheers. Nice. Very crisp, very cool. Not too much of anything, really.
No.
Not too heavy on the palate. I think this is the perfect way to go first thing in the morning. Time to chip, guys.
Okay.
You heard it. Time to chip. Be sure, of course, try this recipe. For the one-man Jouvert at home, the Jouvert that you're having around your yard this carnival, try the La Paloma. Of course, grab a bottle of the Don Julio Blanco at Naughty Grape to be sure to try this recipe. Until next time.
Until next time.
Let's chip down the road. Bye-bye, guys.
Take care.